Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to calculate net force. Okay, so you guys are going to do exactly what I'm doing. The way that I'm going to teach you is going to be the easiest way to get it done. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write down all the forces acting on this object. So we're going to put the force and the direction. So here we have 2 newtons down. So we're going to put 2 newtons down. Okay. Then we have 9 newtons up. Okay, so 9 newtons up. So we're going to take both those numbers and we're going to subtract because they're going different directions. You got down and you got up. So you're going to take 9 newtons minus 2 newtons equals, so 9 minus 2 is 7 newtons. And then whichever direction has the biggest force, that's where it's going to move, okay? So 9 newtons is bigger, that's a bigger force, so this object is actually going to move 7 newtons up. So that's my net force. So then you're just going to put net force equals 7 newtons up. Yes, you have to write this down. You have to get used to using this vocabulary and looking at it. Let's do this one. We got 17 newtons, and it's pointing to the right. It's pushing to the right. We got 17 newtons to the left. So I'm going to take those and subtract because they are in opposite directions. So 17 minus 17 is 0 newtons. So that means it's not moving, right? It's not moving. Okay, so we'll put no motion. Okay. You can also use stuff like at rest. That's fine as well. No motion or at rest. So net force is equal to 0 newtons, and then it's at rest. Okay? We'll do one more. So here we have 25 newtons to the right, 45 newtons to the right. So both of them are pointing to the right. So that's same direction you add. So 25 newtons plus 45 newtons. So I'm going to add those together. Okay, so I'm going to add 25 plus 45. All right. I'm going to get 70 newtons. And then they're both going the same direction, so this object is going to move to the right. So my net force is equal to 70 newtons right. So you're going to go ahead and go back and complete this one and the next two. And then here, you're just going to answer the questions. Will the wagon move? So yes or no. What direction will the wagon move? And what is the net force? So you can do that, answer all those questions. And then on the last one down here, you're going to come up with your own example. So you can find a picture, or you can, write a little story or whatever, and then just let us know, the direction it's moving, what is the net force. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And as usual, guys, if you're not watching this video, or I should say, if you get the questions wrong, the sample questions wrong that I did, and that tells me that you're not watching the video, this is your warning. I am going to take extra points off. All right. Thanks, guys.